Hello everyone, my name is Anishana and you are watching Kubernetes web series. Today we will going to cover one topic that is difference between create and apply option with kubectl command. So difference between create and apply option. In create, it is used to create Kubernetes resources defined in the manifest file, YAML file. However, in apply, it is used to create or modify Kubernetes resources defined in the manifest file. What it means? That in create we can create the resources, we cannot modify the resources. In apply option we can use modify. Yes, let's explore it in the lab section. So let's suppose that this is my deployment and this deployment have three replica set. Lab for create option, let's suppose if I execute this command kubectl create minus f and create apply.yaml, the YAML I described in my previous slide. If I execute this command, I will observe that this deployment is created. However, if I execute this command again, I will see error message, right? And it says that this deployment is already exists. In apply option, if I execute the same command apply minus f create apply.yaml file, it is created first time, let's suppose. In the second time when I execute the same command, I will see that unchanged. So this manifest file, it reloaded again, okay, in apply option. Modify the YAML file from replica 3 to 4. Let's suppose if I change my YAML file and execute the same command, I will get the message configured. This time it is says configured and last time it is says created here. So now I hope the first point is clear between create and apply option, where we use create and where we can use apply option. In create option, it is also used to create a Kubernetes resource directly at the command line. What it means, from the command line, I can use this create option, kubectl create deployment dash one. So it will create the deployment for me. This create option I can use as a command line also. For the apply, we don't have any command options with apply. In create, this is imperative use. However, in apply, this is called declarative use. There is not major difference between create and apply, but yes, sometimes some students got confused. So for that reason, I just come up with this video. Let's do the lab. Create one YAML file. So I'm just using create same YAML file. I'm just copied it here and Control C. Clear the window and then kubectl create minus f create and apply.yaml file. Now it says that yes, it is created here. If I execute the same command, I will observe error message plus it says it is already exist. Let me delete this deployment, clear the window. Now this time I'm going to use apply option here, minus f create apply.yaml. Now if I use this apply option, it says that okay, it is created. Now if I execute the same command, it gave me the message unchanged. So you can execute as many times you can use this apply option. Let's suppose if I want to create or update my YAML file here from replica from 3 to 4, save and exit and apply option again. So now this time it says configured. Last time it says created. If I'm not modifying anything inside this file, it says unchanged here. So now I hope you understand what is the meaning of create and apply option. In the second point, I can use this create option. I can use this create option in the command line also. However, apply option is not available with kubectl command. That's it for the lab section. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the new videos update. Thank you very much. Bye bye.